What's up, y'all? It's LittleHoneyBree, and I am back with a mask video. Y'all know I love my mask, so today we're going to be using Gleeman's Vitamin C Clay Mask. It's got turmeric and aloe vera, so a lot of people get a little scared with turmeric because it gets a bad rep through like YouTube and like funny videos where people make their own at-home mask and then they turn yellow. So this is supposed to be non-staining, it's cruelty-free and vegan, so I'm gonna try it out for you guys and see how I like it. So it says it instantly enhances skin for a luminous bare face glow, stain-free and formulated to work with all skin types. Suggest applying it evenly to a freshly cleansed face. Always cleanse your face before you do a mask. So I really love vitamin C in skincare. I put all my clients on vitamin C. It's so good for the skin. It's an antioxidant and it helps with redness and pigmentation, any type of hyperpigmentation, dark spots. It does take use, like you gotta be committed, but it is the best thing for your skin overall, as well as hyperpigmentation, rosacea, all of those pigment and like redness issues that you're trying to eliminate and recover from and even avoid. Vitamin C is going to be your best friend. So I'm hyped to try this vitamin C clay mask out. Okay, so it's got bergamot essential oil and jasmine essential oil. So I think the jasmine is what I'm smelling. It smells good. I like it. So it comes with this super cute applicator brush. It's got the company name on it. I think that looks, oh, it's upside down. And I'm just going to apply this all over my face. I am looking super cute, y'all. Super cute. It doesn't burn, it doesn't tingle. It felt really smooth going on. It actually felt like very moisturizing. Okay, so now we wait 10 minutes. All right, y'all, so it's been about 10 to 12 minutes. I don't really remember exactly. There's a little bit of places that, I don't know, they look like they're not dry, but they're pretty dry. Like there's nothing coming off of my fingers. So I think we are good to go with a removal. I always use like damp steam towels to take off my mask. It's just what I'm used to doing it with my clients. I like to do it with myself. I like how it feels. And when I wash my face, it's just so messy. Like my whole, like everything gets wet. So this is way simpler for me and my messy childlike tendencies. And these are just little washcloths that I only use for my face. All I did before was wash my face and tone my face, and then I put the mask on, and it's definitely more moisturized. It feels way better. The mask felt really good on, even when it dried. Like, you know, clay masks especially, get a little tight. It wasn't overly like, I can't talk, but it was like, I don't know, it was a normal feeling for a mask. It didn't hurt or feel like super tight. But my face feels super moisturized. I feel like the texture is a little bit better. I definitely will add this mask to my repertoire. Really good. And I feel like my skin looks good afterwards. I already had like a little something going on here. This is that spot I was talking about. So I will update you guys. I'm gonna add this to my kind of like my weekly mask schedule. So I like to do masks a few times a week. So since this one is supposed to help with hyperpigmentation and fading dark spots, I definitely want to get rid of that. And you know, anything else you see, this isn't going away. This is a birthmark. but I still have a little bit of that spot. You can't really tell most of the time, but I'm digging this mask. It feels good on the skin. Even now that my skin's dry from the steam towel, I don't feel dry. The texture feels good. Luckily my hands are clean. That's the only reason I'm touching my face so much. And I just want to give you guys an accurate review. It feels good, feels smooth, moisturized. I am loving the ingredients. The smell is really good. It's very mild. It's not like in your face like lavender or eucalyptus or anything like really strong. But it's like a nice little fragrance. It's natural, so that's awesome. I do not mess with fragrances in my skincare. It's just not good for your skin. It's a bunch of crap they put together to make things smell good. You don't need it. It's not helping you. But my skin feels really, really good. And so I'm going to finish my routine with just a little bit of serum and some SPF moisturizer, and then go on about my day. So if you're looking for a good mask with vitamin C and this moisturizing, if you have problems with redness, hyperpigmentation, dark spots, this is definitely something that I would recommend adding to your repertoire of masks. There are very few masks that I feel like I really like and use consistently, but this will definitely be one of them. I think it's really awesome. So guys, if you want to go ahead and check out this mask, you can use my code Bree Brown, BREEBROWN. I'll put it down below and you'll get 10% off of this mask. I definitely think it's worth a try, and you'll probably see it on my story a lot more. I'll catch you guys next time in my next video.